Shishuka uvacha Bahiranta puradvaraha Sarva purvat avritaha Tato bala dhvanim shrutva Grihapala samotitaha. Shukdev Goswami continued, my day King Parikshit, the doors inside and outside the house closed as before. Thereafter the inhabitants of the house, especially the watchmen, heard the crying of the newborn child and were thus awakened from their beds. So Prabhupada takes some very interesting analysis here. First thing what is happening is that Vasudeva has done everything. He has taken the child and he has kept in the lap of Yashoda and exchanged Krishna with Yogamaya and brought it there, and Yogamaya showed the feature of that it will show, and he brought and kept. And now the child starts crying and he has shackled himself, closed doors, everything. And the watchmen wake up. And Prabhupada compares, this is a comparison of Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur, that the watchmen are like dogs. Very important point. The watchmen think they are the one who are protecting. Nobody has appointed these dogs in the night. You have seen the roads? If anybody says, this street is yours, this street is yours, nobody does. But they imagine themselves to be the guardians of the roads, they bark, shout. They are just like dogs, these watchmen. And Prabhupada then says, even the foolish politicians are also like these dogs only. They cannot protect anybody. They hardly know what's happening. So somebody who is actually awake and Krishna conscious, not everybody, knows actually the Lord is a protector. Therefore it always prays to the Lord for protection. External word, the protection may come through somebody or through the Lord directly, because devotee is more looking for protection of his consciousness. But still everything is protected by the Lord, not so-called watchmen or dogs or the politicians of this world. Prabhupada uses all three in the same breath. The dogs, the watchmen, they can't protect you. Krishna will protect you. So the devotee has a very clear picture. Just like this watchmen, they didn't even know what's happening. So sometimes we don't even know what's happening. How Krishna so kindly, personally protected us, we have no information of that. But actually it is true, Krishna is doing that very personally in our life. But there is no information, there is no understanding. How Krishna places us, Krishna takes from one place to another place. We develop a different mentality. And we develop some desire to serve the Lord. It's all mercy and protection of Krishna. But we can't see all these things. And what we see, protection and all, whom we give credit in our life, we give credit to so-called dogs. Oh, what they have done. Nobody. See, Krishna does everything. One thing is okay, one thing we know. What we know about, that much we agree. Okay, Krishna gave us the body, but that also people don't understand. We think mother, father gave us the body. They are just intermediate features. Correct? But actually the body is not designed, neither the process is designed by them. Krishna is the one who has given all. And Krishna is the one giving the soul, not the body. You are not the body. So we relate to father and mother, they gave me birth. No? You are not the body, you are the soul. But you have no understanding. So we have so much thankful to father and mother, you gave me the body. Definitely we should be thankful. But more thankful to Krishna, because I am part and parcel of Krishna. People have no understanding of that. So much love, everybody has a mother and father. They don't have 1% of the love towards Krishna. Presently that is our position. We do not have. Because we have no understanding. Okay? That is one level. The second level, all the events happening in our life, all protection, we all remember any trouble, we run to the mother, mother protected me, we feel so grateful. Definitely you should feel. But what about Krishna? You could not see that. Dikhta nahi hai, you cannot see the mercy and protection of Krishna. You cannot see, we have no eyes to see. Just like here, the watchmen, what they could see, what happened in the night, they don't know what all happened. Vasudeva went, exchanged the child, came back. They don't know. So we give so much credit. Oh, sometime politician we give credit. This politician did that. That politician, just like dogs barking on the road, foolish and ignorant. They don't even know what's happening. Krishna does so much. We have no eyes to see.